Let's make pizza margherita together. Pizza margherita is Italian people's favorite type of pizza. It's the queen of pizzas. It comes from Naples. It dates back to 1889. It was created by Raffaele Esposito in honor of Margherita of Savoy. It's a very simple pizza and there are only a few ingredients. Bread base. What do we need to make the bread base? Flour, water, salt, yeast, and olive oil. And for the topping? Tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, salt, olive oil, basil, and if you like, any other toppings according to your taste. The dough. How to make the bread base. Mix the flour with the water, the yeast and a pinch of salt in a big bowl. First, use a wooden spoon and then your hands to make it soft and elastic. Let the dough rest for at least 4 hours. When it grows, you can work it again, adding some drops of olive oil. How to cook pizza. Roll the dough out and put it into a baking pan. Make sure it is very thin. Next, add the tomato sauce, some salt and olive oil. Now it's ready to go in the oven. Bake it at about 180 degrees for 15 minutes. Take it out of the oven, add sliced mozzarella cheese, basil leaves and bake it for another 5 minutes. Serve margherita very hot and eat it with your family.